Ever stumbled across a question so niche it felt like searching for a single grain of sugar in a bakery? Today, we're tackling one of those is the Clockify bundle connected to Clockify. Let's break it down. Clockify, for those unaware, is an adult entertainment subscription service offering a variety of content. Clockify, on the other hand, is a completely separate platform. It's a popular, free time tracking tool used by individuals and teams to monitor productivity. A quick Google search for any official integration or partnership between Clockify and Clockify yields absolutely nothing. There's no mention of any collaboration or shared features on either platform's official website or press releases. Think of it this way: one is about entertainment, the other is about tracking time and boosting productivity. They operate in completely different spheres. There's simply no overlap. To reiterate, Clockify is solely focused on providing a free and effective time tracking solution. Features include project management, reporting, and team collaboration, all geared towards helping you understand where your time goes. Clockify is solely focused on providing adult entertainment subscriptions. The Clockify bundle provides access to various content. So, the short answer is a definitive no. The Clockify bundle and Clockify are completely unrelated entities. Hopefully, this clears up any confusion. If you have any more obscure questions, drop them in the comments below.